Click the link below in this resume to go to this screen. This screen is called Google's Colab. If the screen is white and hard to see, click the gear icon in the upper right to switch to dark mode to make it easier to see. In order to run the Google Colab, you need to create a Google account first. If you do not have a Google account yet, first click the Create Google Account link below to go to the Google Account help page. So please make an account there. Of course, anyone can make it for free. If you do not have a Google account and try to add calculation, for example, you will get a warning that you need to log in to Google. You can also click Sign In, and then click Create Account. Next to create an account. Even after creating a Google account, if you try to write a formula or code and execute account. Even after creating a Google account, if you try to write a formula or code and execute it, the warning, "This notebook was not authored by Google," will appear at the beginning. But you can click Run as it is. This Colab is for kids to play with Python, not a Python textbook. However, if you look and play with this in order, you will enjoy learning the basics of Python. I think it's interesting because you can write numbers and codes yourself and move them. I will show you how to use it. There are some places where you can run Python just by clicking as shown in the video. I'm sure you can enjoy with just writing the formulas for Python to run. You can personalize this note if you have Google Drive. Create a Google Drive. Open this Colab and click Save to Drive above. If you make a Colab for yourself, you can save your own writings and changes as they are.